Hey y'all, it's your girl Gabby and I am back with another video. On my channel I make videos about random stuff and today I really felt like doing my eyebrows. I've been looking a little crusty today. I've been looking a little crusty this whole week, to be really honest with you. As you can probably tell, like my skin is kind of bad, my hair is kind of bad, and these brows are kind of bad. Like, look at them. Look at this. We're not doing that. So I think I'm gonna do my brows today, and I'm gonna tint them for the first time in like years. I was tinting my eyebrows back when people discovered that you can use that like just for men beard dye on your eyebrows like 3, 4, 5 years ago. Well, I used to be in my bathroom thinking I was on fleek, and I was not. But it's okay because we're gonna try an actual eyebrow tint today that is supposedly going to work. So the name of it is going to be the Godefroy, or is it Godefroy Tint Kit for spot coloring. This is also advertised for like doing your roots, doing your beard, you know, type stuff. And hopefully it's gonna work on eyebrows.
Okay, so I did get this tint kit off Amazon for $21 and it has glowing reviews. I mean, like 7,000 of them. It is a very straightforward product, super easy to use. The instructions are like any other hair dye instructions. You know, they recommend that you do an allergy test, which I did not, but it comes with all the tools that you need, brushes, the capsules, developer, all of that. All you do is mix the developer in the dye capsule and in one of those mixing cups, and then apply it to whatever area for the recommended amount of time. For brows, it is 1 to 3 minutes.
So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean my brows. I just have these like cheapo makeup wipes that I got from Walgreens. The thing is open, these are probably dried out. But let me just wipe my brows off real quick so there's no oil or anything like that. So yeah, just cleaning them up. That should be good. And the thing is with me, like I had microblading 2 years ago and it's completely faded out, which is normal because I haven't done any touch-ups or anything like that. But I'm like, it was so cute when it was done. Like, y'all do not understand, it was so cute. But now I just been feeling a little dusty without my brows, so I really want to try to get the same effect of like the microbladed look. You can actually kind of see a little bit is left like up here, but that's really it, is like just up here. Because yeah, it's like a little bit of a shadow left down here because after about this point, I don't have no hair. Like, can y'all see that? None. It's a little bit of a shadow left from the microblading. Probably the same thing on the same side, on the other side. So I just want to upgrade that. I'm trying to upgrade my life right now. Okay, starting with my eyebrows.
So all I'm doing here is just cleaning up my brows a little bit. I haven't touched them in weeks. I don't actually go get them done professionally or, you know, at a salon or whatever the case, because I don't trust y'all. Sorry, but I do it myself. I just clean it up a little bit and try to keep them neat. But yeah, I haven't touched them in a long time, so I definitely need to spruce them up a little bit. I do focus on my arches because for whatever reason my eyebrows grow in like a round type of shape. Like, who does that? Why are you doing that? Round? It's supposed to be sculpted. It's supposed to be on fleek. It's supposed to be arched, okay? Sharp enough to cut. My brows don't do that, as you could probably tell with this one right here.
Okay, so this is the brow pencil that I usually use. This is the Benefit Brow. What is it actually called? Precisely My Brow Pencil. It's very decent. I like it a lot. And I'm just going to use that to draw some lines here. I'm not going to do too much to the front. It's really just from the arch to the back that needs to be really colored and needs to be precise. So I'm gonna just try to draw how I want this G thing to look.
So the idea behind filling the eyebrows in with the pencil is giving yourself a nice outline to keep the dye inside. Little did I know that you need actual hair to dye and not just your skin. As you can see, this brow is a little bit sparse. I don't really know what I was trying to do, perform miracles, I'm not really sure, but it didn't really turn out right.
And you know, everybody's eyebrows are different. Does that look even? Don't lie to me, because this is gonna be semi-permanent for 6 weeks.
So here I'm just mixing the dye capsule with the developer in the mixing cup that they provided. I really like that they gave you different options for brushes. The small brush that they gave you was the perfect size for eyebrows. It definitely did its job and I didn't have to use anything but what came in the box. So that was pretty clutch if I do say so myself. Mixing process was super easy and quick and I mean it was ready to go.
Okay, so the mixture is mixed. Let's just put it on, to be honest. Let's just put it on. First, I'm gonna try the hair-like strokes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just put the dye all over.
Y'all, I don't know why I was so convinced that I was going to microblade my eyebrows for $21, but the idea behind this was that I was going to do the little feather hair-like strokes to make it look super natural and to darken like each individual stroke. This was unfounded. This was unresearched. Like I just took an L with this one, but I feel like the logic was kind of there. I mean, it wasn't, but at this point, I'm starting to realize something ain't right. It's not looking too good. It's not feeling too good. But I'm just hoping for a miracle. So I'm like, hell, just go on and do the next one and we'll see what the hell happens.
Oh God, this looks so bad. I don't know, maybe it doesn't. This has been on long enough. It's been about 3 minutes. I'm not timing myself, by the way. I'm just kind of playing it by ear. This one looks way better. This one looks so bad. I don't know, y'all. Let's just take it off. So let me just see, because I don't know. Because this is so bald, I feel like nothing's gonna happen. Let me just take some of these out. Child, I don't know. Did I just give myself a permanent line on my forehead? It looks really bad. Oh my God! No! Is this for real? Why does it look like that? Wait, my arch is even more gone than it was. What did I do wrong? Why does it look like that? No! Oh my God, please no. You guys, no. Is this for real? No more stuff is coming off, so yeah. Don't do anything at home, kids, because you're gonna end up looking like a fucking dummy. Child, let me take this other side off because I'm scared now. At least this one has an arch, though. I'm like, I can't even tell if it darkened the hair. Oh my God. You guys. Does it look darker? I think it looks darker. Why is it making the arches look so bad? Why? Y'all, this is a joke. Y'all, do you see? Wait, okay, let me come back here. Wait, did that even do anything? Hold on. Let me look in my mirror because y'all, this? I gotta get rid of that, no matter what. Yo. I thought I was really finna do something and make myself feel cute today, and it just like went left. Is it fading? Not really. Oh my god. I should have left well enough alone. My question is, did it even darken my hair? I think it did, because this side looks decent, but it was just like, because the arch was so bad on this side already, it made it look worse when it was darker. So I'm always gonna have to walk around with my eyebrows filled in. Mr. Godefroy, you're getting returned. Quick, fast, and in a hurry, because this is some bullshit. Look at that. Oh my god. Y'all, this video wasn't supposed to go like this. As you can probably tell. Gee, what? I'm gonna wipe some of this one off too, because at this point, I don't trust this stuff. Don't ask me why I do things. It's because I'm an idiot. Comment down below if you're an idiot too. Okay, it's mostly faded. I can get rid of this probably by washing my face again tonight with my good soap and everything. As you can see, I need it. I'm breaking out. But hormonal acne, you guys know about it. It is what it is. I'm gonna still come on camera because I don't care. Okay. That didn't turn out as planned. That sucked, like really bad, by the way. And yeah, that's kind of all we can do with it. I have to wipe that shampoo out, but I'm just trying to see. It faded a lot with the shampoo, from what I can tell. Y'all look, I'm finna turn this off. All right. I don't even have shit else to say because I'm mad that my eyebrow looks like this. Let me show y'all. Y'all, this was not supposed to happen to me. Look, I drew the arch and everything. That was some clown shit. Okay, I just embarrassed myself. And that was that. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you like this content, I'm sure I'm going to take more L's in the future. So definitely subscribe. Stay tuned. And you know what? I've been thinking, like, if you made it to the end of this video, comment your Instagram. Because I don't like Instagram, right? Because I feel like it's kind of boring. But people be so hyped over Instagram, right? So I'm like, what am I missing? And I think what I'm missing is a good feed. So I'm like, let me follow y'all on Instagram so I can see something that's actually decent, you know? Like, if I can see something that's interesting that will make me want to go on Instagram. So if you made it to this point in the video, comment your Instagram, okay? I will follow you, I will check you out. Follow me, check me out back, okay? Everything's in the description. I'll link all the things that I use in the description as well. And then some of the stuff was store-bought, but I'll try to find some alternative on Amazon, I guess, if you need me to. But I don't recommend doing this because obviously it turned out really bad. It's probably not as bad as I think it is right now, but it seems like it is. You know, that's where I'm at with it. Anyway, I already asked y'all to subscribe, but I'm gonna ask y'all again. Please subscribe. Like, I'm trying to, you know what I mean? Anyway, thank y'all for watching. This really sucked. I'm gonna go eat something because I'm upset now. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.